How to make videos like Ali Abdaal. Ali Abdaal, a renowned YouTube content creator and medical doctor, has collected international recognition for his exceptional educational videos on YouTube. Known for his content on productivity tips, personal finance, and even book reviews, he has captivated millions of viewers. Ali's minimalistic style in simplifying complex concepts has inspired loads of viewers. It's time for you to master his style and know how to make shorts like Ali Abdaal. Make subtitles like Ali Abdaal. Did you know you can automatically get Ali Abdaal's subtitles in 1 minute? Well, I introduce you to Submagic. There is no need to spend 1 hour replicating Ali Abdaal's caption style. You just have to upload your video on Submagic and wait for the magic to happen. Here is how. Go to submagic.co or click in the description below. Upload your video by clicking Create My Video Now. Choose the language of your video, rename the project, and click Upload. After 1 minute, you'll see your new project with subtitles. Click on the caption page and choose the Ali subtitle template. Here is an example of the subtitles. You can assume the AI-generated captions will look something like this. Some crucial aspects from Ali. Sound effects are essential in Ali Abdaal's editing style. Identify appropriate sound effects for transitions, text animations, and other visual elements. For instance, when there is a paper visual animation, 2 sound effects come into play: crumpling paper or page turn. Always pay attention to adjusting the sound effects since most of them are secondary to your videos. They should empathize with the narration. Music. Choose background music that matches the message and topic of the video, not specifically your style. Ali Abdaal tries different genres of music depending on his video message. It could be lo-fi, mysterious, or even joyful music. To find amazing music and sound effects, you can use Artlist, our favorite sound effect software for video editing. Here is a complete guide to using Submagic.
To try Submagic for free, click the link below. For a paid plan, use code NVR10 for 10% off. Record your content. Before you can add subtitles to your content, you need to spend some time recording awesome footage. Or, if you want to mash a couple of videos together from other sources, you can do that too. However you get your footage, just save it in an easily accessible folder. This will make editing more straightforward and faster when you know exactly where you've saved your video clips. Number 2, go to submagic.co. Next, hop over to Submagic in your favorite browser. For this tutorial though, I'll show you step-by-step screenshots of how to add subtitles to a video using my laptop. Number 3, log into Submagic or create an account using the link below. Did you know you can edit your videos for free with Submagic? You can, and it's so easy to do. If you don't yet have an account with Submagic, click the Try for Free button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Click Create. To start a new project, click the Create button in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Number 5, upload your video. Now it's time to upload your videos to Submagic. Click on the box labeled Click or Drag Drop one or multiple videos. From there, select the video files you want to upload. Alternatively, if your video files are hanging out on your desktop, you can drag and drop them into the box for upload. Number 6, rename your video file. Pro tip, rename your video file now to reflect your project. This will make your video file easier to find if you decide to re-edit the video. 7. Select a language for your subtitles. Submagic supports over 50 different languages. Before you click Upload, choose the Click Upload. Now that you've named your file and chosen your language, it's time to upload your video. Click the Upload button. The neat thing about Submagic is that it automatically generates subtitles once you upload your video. AI does it for you. Depending on the length of your video, you might need to wait a minute or 2 for the upload and subtitle generation to finish. Doesn't take long though, I promise. Number 9, click on Captions. Now it's time to review your subtitles and edit if necessary. Click on Captions to see a time-stamped transcript of your audio. Number 10, edit any misspellings. Submagic's AI is pretty accurate, but sometimes the spelling of words like names might be wrong. To correct a mistake, click on the word you'd like to edit and retype it. Number 11, click on Style. Now the extra fun part. Click Style to change the text's font, size, and color. Play around with the themes and stylings until you find something you like. If you're a B2B brand, keeping your captioning and subtitles the same for your videos to create consistent branding is a good idea. Number 12, finish editing your video. Generate a cool B-roll video. Auto-zoom to highlight an essential part of your video. Add transitions to auto-cut the silent parts of your video. Add fun GIFs and images. Number 13, export your video. With the final touches added to your video, it's time to export it. Click the Export button in the upper right corner of your screen. Number 14, download your video. When your video is ready, click the Download button underneath your project to download a copy of the video file. 15, share to your social media. Great! Now your video is ready to share with your audience.